First, plan ahead. When you're busy, having a plan makes all the difference. Dedicate just 1 hour on the weekend to prep your meals for the week. Wash, chop, and store fruits and veggies in airtight containers. This way, they're ready to grab and use whenever you need them. Hack number 2, pack your lunch. Bringing your own lunch is not only healthier, but also saves time and money. Choose simple recipes that you can make in advance, like a quinoa salad, a veggie wrap, or a mixed nut and fruit snack pack. This way, you always have a healthy option, even on the busiest days. Need a quick breakfast? Make a smoothie. Smoothies are perfect for busy mornings because they're fast, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Use ingredients like spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds. For an extra time-saving hack, pre-pack your smoothie ingredients in freezer bags so you can just blend and go. Next up, healthy snacks to the rescue. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, keep a stash of healthy snacks like almonds, pumpkin seeds, or protein bars in your bag or desk. These snacks will keep you full and provide a quick boost of energy without the sugar crash. Our next hack, use a meal planning app. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Yumly can help you plan your meals, track your nutrition, and even suggest recipes based on what you have at home. This makes it easier to stay organized and avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Here's a simple but effective tip. Set reminders to drink water. It's easy to forget to stay hydrated, especially when you're busy. Set an alarm on your phone to remind you every hour to take a sip of water. Staying hydrated helps with digestion, keeps your skin healthy, and boosts your overall energy levels. When time is tight, focus on quick and balanced meals. A stir-fry with veggies, tofu, or chicken and a side of brown rice can be ready in just 15 minutes. This type of meal is simple, healthy, and filling. Keep a few go-to recipes in your back pocket for those busy nights when you need something fast. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Even small changes like choosing whole grain bread, swapping soda for water, or adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meals can make a big difference. The key is to make healthier choices easy and convenient, so you're more likely to stick with them. Give these healthy eating hacks a try and watch how they transform your energy levels and overall well-being. Don't let a busy schedule stop you from taking care of your health. You've got this.